Yo, what's up, chat? Wait, why are you talking to yourself? Hold on, you got that shit on, bro. What the fuck? Pimpin' ain't easy, chat. It ain't easy. I wanted you to XQC. He's a streamer. Felix, Yachty. That's the guard there. Chillin', man, chillin'. No, are you? Tomorrow? Okay. Here, the fight UFC. Well, I'm gonna text you.
Now has multiplayer. Download now.
Chat, I'm gonna tell y'all one thing about Yachty. Y'all gotta stop looking. That's one artist who's gotten better throughout the years in his class. Who's Max? Max Crosby. Someone just said like Big Sean is there to smack you. Me and Big Sean are cool, bro. Jay is there? Chat, be nice. We got Tressa out of Jay. Jay's here, bro. Jay's here, bro. Anya, I'm kidding.
Bad blood was brewing between Aziel Rodriguez and AJ Hinch throughout season 1 of Power Slap Road to the title. But the two rivals never had the chance to settle their business on the sport's biggest stage. Tonight, the pair finally meet in what should be an explosive weight matchup.
Tonight I'm gonna knock out AJ. Knock out the former light heavyweight just to show the world that
Sexy Red.
I have that strength, I have that dog.
I miss her.
Isaiah, you ain't her.
I would marry her, bro.
If you're the dog, season 1.
Wisconsin's AJ Hinch soared to stardom last year when he won the Power Slap light heavyweight title by knocking.
There's a lot of people here, I'm not gonna lie, bro.
But after a busy 2023 campaign, it's a fresh start and a new division for Hinch. He begins his quest for a 185-pound title against Aziel Rodriguez.
We have beef, and it's kind of been building up since season 1. He called me out the moon, but he didn't want to come up to 05, so I think I'm at 185.
Already 7 fights into his Power Slap career.
Let me see what Cheezer's up, chat.
Rodriguez can always be counted on to face off with anyone anytime. But no matchup got him more amped up than when he was contacted.
Nah, they kept going.
With AJ Hinch.
Cheezer last told me he was down. He was up 5K.
Personal than business.
Your boy Mo's down red though.
Stand up to
Mo?
me for
Yeah,
no
he's
reason.
Okay.
I just deliver, so expect a knockout.
I gave Mo 2 loans already.
You said what?
I gave Mo 2 loans already.
Oh, and I gave him a loan too.
Oh my god.
I gave him 50.
He's down 3 loans.
Sitting, bro. How the fuck are you sitting like that? Samsung.
Why you gotta put in the camera?
It's the best camera there is. That's the light skin face. he just dipped or what?
What's up, Sean? I got my friends watching the stream right now.
Oh, what's up, Sean? Oh,
Ladies and gentlemen, this match is 3 rounds in the Power Slap middleweight division. And presented by
I don't think he gambles, to be honest. He does not.
Download the Rumble app.
Why are you trying to look so sexy?
Rumble.com. His first in the blue corner. He stands 5 feet 8 inches tall, weighing in at 100.
That's fire. Okay, that's fire. That's fire.
Out of Adams, Wisconsin, he is the former Power Slap light heavyweight champion of the world, AJ Static Hinch.
All right, bro. right, chat. I got this. I got this guy.
TikTok clip or whatever.
The TikTok. What?
Does he have like a TikTok clip or whatever?
This one?
Or not?
No, the other one. This one. TikToker.